This is a one-year review video for the Fimco 25-gallon spot sprayer model LG-25-PRO. I ended up buying this because I've been laying gravel on my lot and I don't have enough layers built up yet, so grass and weeds grew too much to handle for my 5-gallon back sprayer. The cap has a measuring cup that screws onto the bottom of it so you can add any chemicals that you wish to spray with. I have never used mine though. I always check to make sure I don't have a leak at the drain plug after adding my solution. The sprayer pump uses 12 volts, so I just taped up a couple of those batteries I use for my UPS units and wired them in parallel. Then I attached the clips from the sprayer to the battery terminals on the outside, with the red clip going the positive side and the black to the negative. Now I will check the strainer to make sure it's not clogged before I start to spray. I just twist it off and then lift up on the pump a little, pull it out, and put it back on. And to start the pump, I'll switch it on here. The sprayer has a 13-inch gun made from aluminum and plastic, which is nice since I use a brine solution to maintain my property. Brine is essentially salt that is dissolved in water, so it will quickly rust metal. The sprayer comes with a bracket on the side for the gun when it's not in use, which makes it easier to move around. I keep my sprayer in a gorilla cart, so I have it sitting on 2x4s to raise the drain plug up so it doesn't crack under pressure when it's full. The cart is just easier to spray versus using a tractor since I don't have to jump off and on to move it around, but it is a little too heavy for me to pull with over 20 gallons, so I just fill it with 15. It has a 25-foot hose, which seems to be plenty enough for me to cover quite a bit of ground rather quickly. Now I'm going to show you a time lapse of me treating the lot that got out of control on me. I will be spraying around 24 gallons each day for 3 days. You should be able to get a general idea of how much ground a full tank can cover by seeing the dying grass and weeds on the second day. I'm not able to do the entire area with one full tank on the first day, so I spray what I missed the next day and just keep working my way around. So this is day 2, and you should be able to see how much the full tank covered because the grass and weeds I sprayed are brownish now. I eventually end up killing all of this off so I can do almost the whole lot, including down the sides and back, with around 30 gallons. As I said before though, I use the cart now instead of the tractor, so it's 2 trips around the property with 15 gallons 3 or 4 times per year, and that seems to keep it under control. So on the third day it rained most of the day, so I didn't go out, but this is the next day, which would be day 3 of spraying. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.